Okay, now this one is recording. So how's the sound? Let's check the sound out. By the way, I'm a little bit regretful because I've got this Rode Wireless Pro. However, this is now a DJI. So this DJI works with its own unit pretty seamlessly, but we will see. I don't know if I will have to connect this module with the extender or whatever, so we will see that. Okay, I don't know how the sound is here, how the sound is here. I'll try to do a comparison in between, but yep, this is what I got now. Nice. If you want me to check anything on these devices,